Supine Decompression exercise. To do that, you're gonna have your knees bent, lying on your back, preferably no pillow. The first step you're gonna do is we're gonna walk our shoulders away from our hips as if you're trying to untuck your shirt, not trying to walk your hips with you. This is how I do that. Hands up to the ceiling, crawling my shoulders up the mat. You'll only feel like you get maybe an inch taller, but just try to make sure you don't move your hips with you. Next step is you're gonna bring your arms up overhead. If you have any shoulder issues, that's okay. Only go as far as you're comfortable. Then you're gonna come back to the ceiling. Repeat that 3 times. On the 3rd time, you're just gonna let your hands rest where they wanna be on the floor. After you let them rest, notice that my ribs lifted up when I did that. You're gonna try to take a nice exhale, lowering your ribs and shoulders away from your ears. Notice that engages my abdominal muscles and it makes it a little bit more difficult to breathe, but you should be able to hold this and breathe for 3 breaths, in and out. After the 3rd breath, you're gonna bring your hands back to the ceiling, let your ribs relax, and then we're gonna repeat that at least 2 more times, maybe 3 more times. You're then gonna walk your shoulders away. You won't get very far. Back overhead to the ceiling, and repeat 2 more times. So that's 3 times total. On the 3rd time, leave them there. Big exhale, dropping your ribs and shoulders. Hold that there for 3 breaths. Bring your arms back to the ceiling and let the ribs relax. So you would repeat that 1 or 2 more times. Usually I find this exercise to be most beneficial if you've already been having a little bit of back pain or at the end of the day because you're doing some decompression. This is a great exercise to do if you don't have a traction unit or a way to do self-traction at home.